Hey, what's up?
Not much, just wondering how the social media internship at the nonprofit is going.
It's going really well. I just posted a picture of a beach in California talking about our next beach cleanup event.
The one with the pink flowers and mountains?
Yeah, why?
Dude, Zendaya just commented on your last Instagram post.
What? No way. What did she say? Oh, crap. I gotta call you back.
Oh no. Why did I have to log out of my work account during such a monumental comment and influencer opportunity for our company? Could it be this? No, I didn't write it down anywhere. Why did you make your password something you couldn't even remember? Why isn't the reset link working? Ugh, Zendaya will never know that we wanted to love her comment.
What? No way. What did she say? Hold on. I accidentally logged out of my account, but our company has KeePass Pro, so it's all good. Let me call you back in just a sec. Thank you, Witivio, for creating KeePass Pro. You literally saved my internship.